Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of La Vida with Kim and Ariel. Guys, so another Popmart unboxing. Yes, I know. I hope you guys aren't getting tired of them. Guys, we just love to share everything we love with you guys. So right now we're like really into Popmart. So yes, of course we want to share with you guys. And guys, I have to admit, I'm so excited about this one because it is literally my favorite Popmart little pendant right now, guys. I am obsessed with these and we finally were able to snag one. Well, a whole box, guys. A whole box thanks to Ariel, guys. Oh my gosh, she is my good luck charm, guys. She got the whole box, so it just came in, guys, and it's time to unbox. Thank you, Ariel. Oh my god, you're my good luck charm. So here it is, guys. I'm so excited. Do you guys want to see what it is? Let's open it. So I got my handy dandy crafty knife. Okay, let's open it. Oh my gosh, guys, I have to admit, these are my favorite right now from Popmart. They're not that well, I feel like they're not that popular, obviously, like Labubus, but these are my favorite, guys. And they had not restocked in a while, and I was like freaking out. I missed it a few times, and you're picky. But Ariel managed to get them, guys. I had been actually like stalking Amazon more because Amazon seemed to be getting them, but Ariel was on the tablet trying to get them too on Amazon, and she accidentally clicked on Popmart and it said in stock, and we were like, what? So yeah, guys, that's how she stumbled luckily upon the
Mom, there's something different.
There's something? I know. Wait. It came with the gift, guys. Yeah. It came with a gift too. Like if you bought a certain amount, it came with a gift, which was stickers.
Can I have it?
Yeah. But let me see, what are they called? Oh, it's a Peach Riot Rainbow. That's what it's called. Series sticker pack. So it comes with a bunch of rainbows.
Oh, I see the heart.
Which are obviously gonna be for you. Here you go. Which are for you. And this is what I wanted to show you guys. Can you guys see it? Puckys! Oh my gosh, guys. This is a tiny box.
Yeah. These are little.
Yes. I am obsessed with the Pucky Bubble Up, guys. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. They did have a series. I don't know much about them, but I know they did have at least one series before this. And now they came up with these, and these are stinking cute, guys. Oh my gosh. Ariel. We love these, huh? So these are the Puckys. Let's do a thumbnail. All right. So we got the Puckys Beanie. What are they called? Pucky Beanie Bubble Up. That's the proper name, guys.
Up.
Yeah, bubble up. That's what I said. Bubble up. I'm just saying fast. So it comes with 6 different ones in the secret that we actually unboxed. Where is it, Ariel? Where's the secret? So we got the secret already, guys, before we even got the box. And I actually got 3 Puckys before the secret. All 3 were pink, guys. So we want different colors. Obviously, pink is our favorite color, but we want all the colors. So let's unbox. So let me take off the plastic. Let's do this faster because, well, let me do this faster because I feel like I'm boring you guys. Okay, open it up right there where I cut it.
Right here?
Yeah. Let's do Ariel speed. He likes to do her speed.
Not that fast?
Not that fast. You scare me. Okay, there you go. So this is how it looks. So it's so cute.
Whoa, it's so soft with it.
It is soft, huh? Let's take off the tape.
Tapey.
Yes. Okay.
Tapey.
Open it up.
Where?
From right here. Lift it up like you
box.
do. With the Labubus. Ooh, 6 boxes, guys. Let's do it.
I want to open this one.
Wait. Let me do this. Look. Let's do it fancy this time. Look. Let's do it.
Can I have this?
You want the box?
Not this.
Okay, you can cut it off later. So it looks fancy. Ooh. Okay. So, which one should we open first, Ariel? Or, oh, you're already opening it. Can you take it out or you need help? Choose one, choose one.
I'll take this one out. I'll take this one out, then this one.
Oh, okay.
Because
Okay.
that was easy.
Okay, okay. So we got the first one.
They're so tiny, and I thought.
They are tiny.
Wait,
They're so cute. Show the box. What happened?
It's more.
Oh, she wants to compare it to the Labubus box.
It's more bigger.
Yeah, the Puckys are tiny, but they're so adorable. I don't get tired of saying it. I'm sorry, but these are stinking cute compared to Labubus. Oh my god.
I don't know if
I love these. These are just so adorable. The Labubus are like cute but like scary at the same time. So, oh my god, these are just adorable. So, this is a box. Can you guys see it?
I can.
You can. It shows you all of them right there. Okay. Verification, blah, blah, blah. But we did get it from the Popmart website, so we know they're authentic. So, here you go, Ariel. Don't look, don't look, don't look. Don't look, don't look, don't look. Open it, open it, open it.
Wait.
Oh yeah, remember these are a little bit different. Oh.
It's the same one like the little bit.
They've been like super gluing them on because they're hard to open now. Ariel, calm down.
I almost saw the
Carson here.
I almost saw it.
You almost saw it? Did you see it though?
No.
No? Okay. Open it, open it, open it. I don't know the names of these, so.
The one that we always get.
No way. God. We are like cursed with the pink Pucky, guys. Oh my gosh. We always get Pretty Bubble. That is, oh, this is our 4th Pretty Bubble, guys. Literally, oh my gosh. She's so cute though. A ver, escucha. So cute, guys. Oh my god.
It's yours.
These are like stress balls too. Look. Here. Oh my god, of course we had to get the pink one first.
Oh, wow.
But she's so cute. I love her.
Wait, what's her name?
Pretty Bubble.
Oh, like Pretty.
Yes, Pretty Bubble. Okay.
Pretty the Bubble.
Next one. Open it, open it, open it. Don't look, don't look, don't
I
look.
hope Daddy.
I said one looks like my husband, so she's like, I hope it's Daddy.
Oh.
Cards in here. Open it, open it, open it.
What's this?
Which one is it? Here's a. That's the yellow
The
one.
crying.
The crying bubble. Oh no, don't start crying.
No, he's crying.
This is crying bubble. So cute.
What? It's turned blue too.
What do you mean blue?
I can see blue.
Oh, it's the shadow of the light. That's why.
It's shadow.
So this is crying bubble, a yellow one. So cute. Look.
Oh,
Show the face. We didn't even show the Pretty Bubble's face. Look at the little face. It has a little tear. So
Oh,
sad. The little eyebrow.
Mom,
How?
I know something.
What'd you know?
On every single puppy, they're end with a bubble. Next one.
Next
Mom,
one.
but we are not showing it.
What do you mean?
They're showing it like, look at this.
Oh, okay. We'll start showing it. We're just so excited, guys. Oh my god. We need to calm down.
Now you's rushing.
I know. Now I'm rushing. So excited.
Because this is our first whole set.
I know. The Puckys ever. Cards in here. This one is the blue one. This is Sleepy Bubble. Yeah, right? Let me see the face. Because there's like two kind of, maybe the other one's green. I don't know.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, green. So this is Sleepy Bubble. Oh, look at the face. It's so cute. It's Sleepy Bubble. Look at that.
Slip up, bubble.
Oh my god. That's true. So cute. Okay, I'm going to show it since Ariel's saying I don't show. I'm rushing. So it says Beanie right there on the strap.
But
it's
we
all
don't-
baby blue. Popmart.
Don't.
So this is how it looks. So cute, guys.
Fat tummy.
Yeah, because it has the air inside. So cute. Next one. Okay. Cards in here.
Oh, it was Daddy!
So yeah, it's kind of like a Fuchi face. Or like a mad doggy face. So that's why I said it's my husband. Like, smug bubble.
Smart.
So cute, guys. Oh, it's so cute. Look at it, guys. Oh, it's so cute. Little smug bubble. These are so adorable.
I have my eye on you.
Next. So, this is the fifth one. One more to go after this one.
Wait, what's me? This
We
one
just
and
need
this
the-
one, this one.
No, we already did the yellow one. We need the orange one and the purple one. Okay. Let's see what this one is. I didn't see the card because the little one's in there. Oh, she's gonna whack me in the face like. What is it? What is it? What is it? What? The what? The purple one? Oh, you already told me. Oh, the purple. That one's sweet. Bubble. Sweet bubble. Show the
Fat
carita.
tummy.
Show the face. That one just has like a normal face. It's the same face as a pretty bubble,
The
actually.
fat bubble.
Yeah. So cute. Oh my god, I just love these.
Cute.
Yes, what Ariel said. In the voice she said it.
So cute.
Okay, last one.
I already know which one is it.
Which one?
The last one.
And what if it's a secret? Again, imagine. That'd be crazy. We would have to buy another box to get the which one's left? Orange, right?
I already know which one.
You saw the card? How do you know that?
It is. Hold it.
Which one? The orange one.
Because remember you already told me
Yeah.
the whole set, the whole set.
Yes, but sometimes it has a secret, so you don't get one. This is angry bubble. This is angry bubble. So it's mad. Show the carita. It doesn't look that angry. It looks kind of like sad. Like, yeah. It doesn't look so angry. Look. It doesn't look that angry. It kind of looks like that. Okay, guys. These are the cutest things ever. Look. They stick together, guys. So,
Wait, what?
look.
No, let me.
Okay, you want to do it? They stick together, guys. Look. How cute is
Well,
that?
it's dirty already.
I think it's because of fur, because it was in the bag. We'll clean them. Look at that. How cute is that? But you have to be careful because these pop so easily, guys. Like, look, I think this one... Oh, no. I wasn't squishing it right. But these pop so easily. I love them, but I wish they would, like, do something better. Because they do pop so easily. But these are so cute, guys. Oh, my gosh.
It's one a baby. A baby.
They're so cute. Okay, let's show them all together.
Ugh.
So yeah, guys, this is our Pucky Bubble Up unboxing, guys. I have to say, I am obsessed with these. These are literally my favorite pendants right now at Popmart. I probably said that like 20 million times already, but these are cute, guys. Oh my gosh, I can't
They're
believe.
soft.
Yeah, they should be more popular. I don't know. I love these. I'm so happy we finally got the whole set, including the secret. Oh my gosh.
Me.
Yes, because of Ariel. Ariel's the one that was able to get these Puckys for us. If not, we wouldn't have anything, guys. So I'm so happy. What do you think, Ariel?
It's
Which one's your favorite?
this one first, this one second, third, fourth. fifth, sixth, fifth,
6.
sixth.
Oh my god. I love the pink one, the one that looks like daddy. The other blue one, the purple, and then the yellow and orange. Yeah.
Same thing.
Same thing? Yeah? Oh, we're so alike. So yeah, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you already did all those things. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more unboxing. See you on the next one.
Bye.